Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about baskets. Baskets can not only reduce the visual clutter in our homes, they look very aesthetic as well. Now let's start with grass baskets. Grass baskets are my favorite. They are not only sustainable, they look very beautiful. You always use them as a planter, but whenever you are using them as a planter, always keep up a drainage plate so that water is not spoiling your basket. Such beautiful grass baskets can easily hide ugly plastic planter and they can make any corner look beautiful. Such grass baskets are very easily available these days in different sizes and different designs. You can purchase them according to your requirement. I bought these baskets from a seller on Instagram. She is a Manipur based seller and I'll be sharing the link in the description box. I bought these baskets for around 1000 for both of them. You can even use these baskets for styling your empty corners. You can store your beautiful cushions. It will look very beautiful and elegant. It does look pretty, right? And I also love this beautiful Dupian silk cushion covers. Basically, I bought them for my balcony, but I'm just using them in the living room as of now. I really love the design. I bought these for rupees 399. It is a set of 5 cushion covers, and I really love the subtle colors and designs. And I really love the coat as well. You can purchase them for rupees 379 as deal of the day. Now next we are going to talk about macrame baskets. Macrame is very much in trend these days. Whether you like boho or you like modern, you can use macrame products everywhere. So I'm going to hide this ugly router, this internet router kept on my side table using a macrame basket. Baskets are a savior whenever you want to hide something or reduce the visual clutter. They come very handy. I really liked this beautiful macrame basket. It goes with overall theme of my home and corner. So I'm keeping some books here because this is my reading corner and it looks very beautiful. The router is now well hidden as well and the corner also looks clean. You can use such baskets for storing your chargers, headphones, all sort of wires and reduce the ugly clutter on your side tables. Super gorgeous basket costed me rupees 549 and I will be sharing link in the description box as usual. Now we can see another macrame basket. I use this for storing my records. This gorgeous macrame basket costed me rupees 569 and you can use this basket in multiple ways. You can also use them for storing sanitizer and all stuff at your entryway. Now moving on, we are going to talk about row baskets. Row baskets have always been my favorite. They are perfect for storing and organizing toys. If you have kids at home, then you know scattered toys are part of our lives. You cannot get rid of them. So best is to keep a basket and easily pick them up and hide them whenever the kids are not playing. You can pick up the toys and easily slide the row basket under a sofa or under a bed or under a bench, wherever you like, and your clutter is easily hidden. We all have some days when we have a pile of unfolded clothes staring at us. So instead of piling them on a chair or on a corner of your bed, I like to store them in a row basket. They not only look beautiful, they can easily hide the visual clutter. This beautiful rope basket costed me rupees 509 and I also like to use this for organizing and storing my extra throws and pillows during winters. It can make your living room space look very cozy and beautiful, so this is my favorite. All the product links I am sharing today have got a 5 days return and exchange policy, so you can purchase them without any worry. And in the end, I would like to talk about metal baskets. Metal baskets are my favorite. Whether you have to organize your center table or your kitchen or your entryway, metal baskets have always been a savior. If you have a visual clutter at your center table, just use a metal basket. It will not only organize your space, it will look very beautiful, especially if you like rustic decor. I bought this basket from Amazon, I think for 700 rupees, and such baskets are these days available in different colors. I like the golden version as well, and I have not bought it yet, but I'm planning to buy one. Do you know you can organize and display your beautiful crockery during your parties using these metal baskets? I recently came across this trend on Pinterest and I thought let me try it, and I really like the end result. If you have less space on your table, then such baskets can be a space savior. They can easily hold lot of crockery, and it will be safe as well, and it will look beautiful and organized. If you have been looking for cute tea light holders, then let me tell you, these dear tea light holders are my favorite, and they are just for rupees 299. In the coming few weeks, I'll be sharing a video on my crockery collection as well, so stay tuned for that. Now, last but not the least, you can always use baskets for organizing corners in your kitchen. Baskets are needed in kitchen more than anywhere else. They are very handy when you have to organize any corner because you can simply pull the basket and clean your countertop. I cannot emphasize enough how important baskets are for removing all sort of visual clutter in your house. For example, instead of having scattered stuff all over the bar counter, I have used this simple metal basket which I bought from Sarojini Nagar a few years back for organizing all the stuff on the bar cabinet. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you want to see part 2 of this video, then please let me know in the comment section. I will wait for your feedback. Thank you so much for watching Metro Mom.